Hello friends. So in this video we are going to see the simulation software for the Arduino. So in the simulation software basically we need not to have any physical component. Virtually we can connect the component and we can test our code. Okay. So let's see what is that software and how to use that. The name for this particular software is Tinkercad. So what you are supposed to do, go to the Google and search for Tinkercad. Okay, you get the suggestion over here. Just click on that Tinkercad. Go to the login. Okay, it will ask for the login. So here you can select anything. I'll go with the student account. Let's say I will sign in with the Google. If you are doing it for the first time, it will ask for some permissions. You just allow those. I'll go for the signing in over here. I'll type my email ID, give your password. Okay, then go to the next. So here what we are doing, you are going to logging into the simulation software, which is nothing but the Tinkercad. Yeah, so this is the window or the home page for the Tinkercad. Here you can see on the left hand side your profile, you can see. Then here design, tutorial, challenge, all those things are given. Okay, so what you are supposed to do over here, whenever you wish to have the new design, you just click in the create. So in the create, when you click, you'll get three options: 3D design, circuit, and the code blocks. I am interested in circuit, so just click on the circuit over here. So when you click on the circuit, again new window will get open. Yes, it is getting opening. So this is the window where we are going to work. So this is our workspace. This is the workspace. Then these are some tools given at the top. I will show you how to use those. Then there is the component list, or the components are given over here. Okay. So if you want to search any component, you can just put that name of the component over here and you can get the component. For example, if I want to search for Arduino, yeah, so it is Arduino Uno R3. Okay, just click it over here, you'll get that particular photograph over here, and related other Arduino also you can get it over here. Fine. So now in case of this particular video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to blink the LED with the help of Arduino. Okay, it's very simple program and the simple connection that I'm going to show you. So what I need to have, I need to so obviously I have this particular Arduino board. So I am taking the Arduino board. Now whenever you want to select the Arduino board and bring it to the workspace, what you are supposed to do, just click on this particular Arduino over here, the component over here, and just move your mouse. And let's say I want to have this particular mouse, this Arduino board over here. Wherever you want, just click it again. Okay, so it will get fixed over there. Now you can move your mouse freely. Then obviously I need to have one LED bulb to blink it. So just I am selecting LED. Yeah, there are two options, LED and LED RGB. We'll go with the LED, simple LED. Again I just clicked it and I just dragged over here. Okay, fine. So that is how I connect, just got the two components. Now you can see on the LED you can have this particular terminal name. Okay, so which is the anode, which is the cathode, it is given. Then these are the pins. So which is the pin? D stands for digital, so this is digital pin number 6, digital pin number 7. Here you can get the analog pins. A stands for analog, likewise. Okay, so this is how you can get the description of the component as well. So need not to worry about what is this particular pin or what it is used for. Now we know that whenever I want to connect the LED with the Arduino, I need to have the resistor. So I'll search for the resistor now. Okay, resistor I will search for. Yeah, resistor. So this is the resistor. Simply you get it over here. Obviously I need to connect this resistor to the to the anode of the LED. I just kept it over here. Fine. Now the thing is, we are supposed to change the value of resistor as per your requirement. So here when you click on the resistor, you can get this particular dialog box, or rather what can say the window. Here you can change the value of resistor. So if there are number of resistor, you can change the name over here. I am having only one, so I'll keep one as it is. So in this case I will change the value of resistance. Instead of 1 kilo ohm I will go with the 200 ohm. Okay, so you can select the symbol, the symbols are given. From the symbols you can select the thing. Fine. Once you set the value, just click outside, that window will go automatically. Now what I want to do, I want to connect this particular component, obviously with the help of wire. Okay, so we are supposed to connect those, and for connecting what we supposed to do is just go to the terminals. Okay, now if you go to the LED terminal, there you can see there is one square box. Okay, highlighted with the red color. Similarly, it is at the terminal end of the resistor, other end of terminal of the resistor. Here also you can get it. So what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to just click on the one of the terminal, and where you are going to connect to the resistor, that circuit we know. Okay, so here the wire has come. Now if you see the color of this particular wire, it is shown as a green. If I want to change the color of this particular wire, what you are supposed to do, go over here. Here the color palette is given. From here, let's say I am using the red color for my supply line or the positive line. Fine. So you are we are given the red color over here. Then obviously the input terminal of the resistor I am connecting to one of the pin over here. Let's say pin number 10. I am connecting it to the pin number 10. Now we know that the signal from the Arduino will go to the resistor first, and from the resistor it will go to the anode. Now the next thing, next step rather, I supposed to connect this particular another terminal, that is the cathode, with the ground terminal. Okay, fine. What you do, just click it over here, come down over here. Okay, then look for the ground pin. So here is the ground pin shown. Just connect this. Okay, now you can make this perfectly horizontal and vertical. Just click it over here and drag that. So accordingly, when you drag like this, you can get, so whenever it is perfectly horizontal and vertical, you will get the plus sign over here. Just leave it. Okay, now suppose I want to change the color of this negative line or the ground line. Let's say with the black color, I will select the black color. Fine. Now my circuit is over. Okay, I connected the LED with the pin number 10 of Arduino. The next thing, that you supposed to write the code. Okay, and to write the code, if you see on the right hand side over here, there is one option or the window provided, the tab provided, that is nothing but the code. Just click on this particular tab. So when you click in this tab, by default you get this particular window. This window is, you can see, you can read over here, these are for the blocks, but we don't want the blocks. I want to have the text type of coding. So just click it over here. You can get three options: blocks, blocks plus text, and the text. You select text. Okay, then yeah, you continue this. Okay, so this is what the by default code already has done, given over here. I'm just erasing this. Okay, I'll show you how to write. You can write the code over here itself. Okay, but suppose if you have the code somewhere and you want to just copy and paste it over here, that also you can do. So I'm having my code ready. So what I'll do, this is my code. So in the void setup, I supposed to write the particular pin mode, that is 7 I am selecting. So in the void setup, I will write this particular command, and maybe in the void loop I am going to write this command. Okay, I'll change the code, okay, according to my requirement. Fine. Okay, just go back to this and put this code in the void loop function. Fine. So now you can see I am having the pin mode 7 output, but what I am doing over here in the circuit, I am using pin number 10. Okay, so you need to change this particular number. So suppose if you don't want to change the number over here, you can connect this particular wire to the pin number 7. That's it. Okay, so again you connect this now, change the number, change this pin number 7 to 10. Okay, so this is the very simple code. Now we know that I am setting the pin number 10 as the output, and this is for one time I am doing, so I am writing that particular command in the setup part. So the function for this is the command for this is pin mode. Okay, then in the loop function I supposed to execute the this particular program continuously. So whatever is going to be repeated, that part I am going to put in the loop section. Now we know that I'm going to write the digital signal from the Arduino, and that's why I'm using the command digital write, and I'm giving the which pin I supposed to write this particular command, and that pin number I'm giving, that is pin number 10. At the same time, what value I should write? Okay, here I have written the high. High means that you are sending the high signal or signal 1. Okay, we know that in case of binary we are having only two values, 0 and 1. Okay, so 1 refers to high, 0 refers to low. So here when you write the high, it means that you are enabling that pin, you are sending the maximum supply or the voltage whatever available with the Arduino to the output device. So I am sending the high signal to the LED when I am writing the command digital write as a high. Okay, then as per logic we know that the first I need to turn on the LED, then I should wait for some time in the on position for the LED, and then I will turn off the LED, and again I will wait for some time for the LED to get turned off. Okay, so that is the general, what you can say, the logic is provided. Okay, so the command written over here, digital write 10 high, is for the turning on the LED. This is to turn on the LED. Then delay is provided for waiting purpose. Then I will make the LED off by using the command. Again, it is the function is same, digital write. Only thing I am changing the value by low instead of high. Okay, and again I'll go for the delay. Now in case of delay, I have written delay in bracket, I have written 1000 value. Okay, so this 1000 represents what? It's a millisecond. So 1000 milliseconds, nothing but the 1 second. So as per this, whatever time you require, accordingly you can change the value over here. Okay, fine. So this is the code I have already written, and I have already tested the code. There is no error, and that's why I just directly pasted over here. If you want, you can use the IDE software, Arduino IDE software. You can test the code first over there, compile the code, and that code simply you can copy and paste it over here. That is also is possible. Fine. Okay, so now what I'm doing, I'm just hiding this particular window. I'll just click on the code again, so this window will get hide. Now simply I just want to run this particular code. For running, I'll click on the start simulation. Okay, so when you start simulation, see the LED starts blinking. It will turn on, wait for some time, turn off, wait for some time. Okay, you see the seconds, and accordingly with the seconds only it will turn on and off. Okay, so this is how you can prepare the various circuits, and you can test without any hardware. That is the beauty of this particular Tinkercad software, and it's open source software. Okay, need not to download. Your designs also will get saved over here. Fine. So this is what you can do. Now if you want to see the your saved designs, the first I'll stop this. Okay, just click on the back button over here, and then you can go to the, here you can see circuits. So whatever circuits I have prepared, all the circuits are there. So I have prepared number of circuits, so those circuits you can see. If you want to make a changes in the circuit, you can simply click on that circuit, and then you can go for changing the things. You can update the older designs as well. Okay, so this is what about the Tinkercad simulation software. This is how you can use it, and it's very simple. Just you can refer the things, and easily you can do the things. Mostly it's very important that you need not to have any hardware to test your code. Okay, that is very beautiful part of it. So fine, thank you then.